I'm back with another game. And me as well. Oh God, what is that? What the heck are we playing? Meow, it's a game called Hashtag. Do you think we're gonna get sued? Why would we get sued? That's actually a really good question. Why would we get... Oh crap! That sounds like it hurt. Yeah, so gonna be playing this today, and we hope you enjoy the game. And we hope you enjoyed this episode. We might play it again. If it gets enough views and likes. If it gets five views and 1 like, since I'm not that famous. Yeah, we'll do another video on this. Right now, guess we'll just have to go with the flow. Meow, that's right! Ugh, I thought you left to get your sandwich. Meow, I almost did, and then I just noticed I need a sandwich. Then why did you leave to get a sandwich when then you just noticed you need to get a sandwich? Just go away, I'm trying to focus. I don't want to. And of course you don't. Anyways. Yeah. We are gonna be running around doing this little thing until we... A frog! Hell, you'll never catch me. Oh no. It's trying to challenge me. Well, 2 can play at that game, Slubby Bobby. Hell, you try to catch me. I need him for my collection. No! Are you joking, right? Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Just need to watch this ad. Okay, bye. Hello, I am back. And we just finished our ad. This video is not sponsored by Warbots. Yes, Fly Guy. Yeah, that's right, Fly Guy. Please go away. I'm supposed to be a Fly Guy. How I joined your group. Shut up, Slubby Bobby. Oh my God. How did I do that? Oh my God. My heart is racing to death. Oh God. I might die. Oh my God. There's a pet. Gotta get it. Gotta get it. Dang it! I was so close. But at least our mother didn't catch us. Yay! Let's play as Fly Guy now. Oh crap! Didn't even get any bait on. I really want to play this again. It's really fun, and I really hope we get to that many views, because I'm not deciding if I play it again. I'm letting you guys decide it, because I'm not gonna go play games that you don't like. You should all obviously recommend some in the comments below. Yeah, feel like you should. Meow, that's right. Shut up, Meowth. Meowth, that's right. I'm gonna shut up. Yes, you should. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video, because I'm having loads of fun playing it. and I hope you're having loads of time watching it. This game is called Dash Tag, if I haven't told you yet, right? Did I tell you guys the name yet? I feel like I have. But if I haven't, that's the name of the game, and if you want to download it, just type in Dash Tag, and if you see, yeah, you can just look at the photos, and then you'll know it is this. You know, I really wish, like, Grand Canyon was playing from Smash Bros. Ultimate. Oh, pet! Oh my god, it's the actual Slubby Bobby. How? You'll never get the Tree Frog, Bobby. Tree Frog, Bobby. Come here. Hoppers! How I'm Hoppers! Yes! We're not the tried Hoppies. No, Hoppers. Hoppies. Hoppers. Hop-ease. Hoppers. Hoppies. You know what? I don't even care anymore. Call it what you want, and I'll call it what I want. I'll be back with a free ad. So I'm back after my ad break. The same ad. Funny, right? Anyways, let's get back on track. Yeah. It's a snake. Oh yeah, you'll never catch me. I'm like really, really smooth and slick. So there's no way you'll catch me, because I'm like the most smoothest boy in the world, and like, I know what's up, man. It's obviously like all about that champagne, right? Oh, did you get me? No, man, he got me, man. Yes, we finally got him. Well, not finally, because we just saw him, but we finally got him in that amount of time. So I'm really glad we got him. Oh, man, that ain't cool. Shut up. Wow, we got tabbies. No, actually, are you right? Oh my god, it's another pet. Did I get 3 in a row? Am I a famous YouTuber now? I was already a YouTuber, but am I going to be a famous YouTuber? Yes, I know. No. Come here. Got Rabby. Ruby? Rabby? I think it's Rabby. No, I think it's Ruby. Yeah, it's definitely Ruby. No! I was so close. So close. Anyways, that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed. See, look, we got Hopper, Tabs, and Ruby. Hope you enjoyed. Let's just take a look at our pets before we leave. Actually, I'll do just one more run for you guys. Except this time as Hopper. How do me? Yes, and I know if you're a cat lover, then you'll love this run, because I'm basing this run all on cats. Let's run. See? Cat milk. I do not care how long it takes, but we're getting a cat. I want a cat in this game, like, really bad. Is Ruby a cat? I think so. Who cares if she isn't? because I just like cats. They're my favorite animals, and yep, and that will be all, folks. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Meow, that's right!